Ever heard of Wealthsimple? Maybe you've seen their ads, sleek, modern, promising to make investing easy. But here's the burning question: is Wealthsimple actually a broker? It might seem simple, but understanding what kind of company Wealthsimple is can have a big impact on your investment journey. Because let's be real, when it comes to your money, you want to make sure you're dealing with the right people. Transition to a shot of a whiteboard with the words broker and investment advisor written on it. Now, before we dive into Wealthsimple specifically, let's quickly break down the key players in the investment world. Brokers, think of them as the matchmakers. They connect you with investment products like stocks, bonds, and ETFs. You're in the driver's seat, you make the investment decisions, and they execute your trades. Investment advisors, these folks take a more hands-on approach. They provide personalized advice, create a customized investment plan, and often manage your portfolio for you. They have a fiduciary duty to act in your best interest. So, where does Wealthsimple fit in? Well, it's a bit of both. Wealthsimple offers a range of services, and the answer depends on which service you're using. Wealthsimple Trade, this is their self-directed brokerage platform. You're the boss here. You choose your investments, and they execute your trades. Wealthsimple Invest, this is where they take on a more advisory role. You provide them with your investment goals and risk tolerance, and their algorithm automatically builds and manages a diversified portfolio of ETFs. Now, let's talk about that algorithm. Wealthsimple Invest uses a robo-advisor system. This means that instead of a human financial advisor, your portfolio is managed by sophisticated software. This can be a great option for some investors, especially those who prefer a hands-off approach. Let the algorithm do the work while you focus on other things. Want low-cost investing? Robo-advisors typically have lower fees compared to traditional investment advisors. Value convenience and accessibility. Everything is managed through a user-friendly app. Transition to a shot of someone researching investment options. However, it's important to remember that robo-advisors have limitations. Limited personalization. While the algorithm can adjust to your risk tolerance, it may not fully capture your unique financial situation or goals. Lack of human interaction. If you have complex financial needs or prefer personalized advice, a human advisor might be a better fit. Potential for algorithm bias. While algorithms are designed to be objective, there's always the potential for biases to creep in, even unintentionally. Before you choose Wealthsimple or any other investment platform, it's crucial to do your research. Understand the fees. Clearly understand all the fees associated with the platform, including management fees, trading fees, and any other hidden costs. Read the fine print. Carefully review the terms and conditions of the platform to understand your rights and responsibilities. Consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. Make sure the platform aligns with your individual financial situation and investment objectives. Compare with other options. Don't just stick with the first platform you come across. Explore other options, such as traditional brokerages or other robo-advisors, to find the best fit for you. Investing can be complex, but with the right information and a bit of due diligence, you can make informed decisions that help you achieve your financial goals. So, is Wealthsimple a broker? Yes, in a sense, especially with their Wealthsimple Trade platform. But they also offer advisory services through Wealthsimple Invest. The key is to understand which service best suits your needs and investment style. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.